Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to allow a particular domain to access Google Forms. First, here's an important thing you need to know. If you are using a personal Gmail account, you won't see the option to restrict forms by domain. This feature is only available for Google Workspace accounts such as business or school emails. Google Forms must be linked to an organization to enable domain-based restrictions. Since personal Gmail accounts aren't part of an organization, this setting isn't available. If you're using a Google Workspace account, such as a business or school email, go to the Responses tab where you'll see the option to allow a specific domain. To use this feature, you must be signed in with a Google Workspace email. If the option still doesn't appear, your Workspace admin may need to enable form sharing settings. If you're using a personal email, the only option available is limited sharing. Click the Share icon to manage access. You can restrict editor access by clicking Remove Links. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.